Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into the Colourpop birthday palette, the main squeeze palette, the red palette, and yeah, this is the eye look I did today using this palette. If you want to see how to get this look, well, subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial. So Colourpop just sent me over their brushes, and I want to try them out today. For the first shadow, I'll go into Frosé. With the F5 brush, I am just blending Frosé onto the eyelid, mostly in the outer corner. I'm going to bring it over the crease a little bit toward the inner corner, but focusing all over the eyelid. Once I have built up Frosé to satisfaction, I'll go ahead and apply that to the other side. The next shadow I'll be going into is Red Bottoms. So I guess I wasn't recording this part. So all I've done so far is take an E2 blending brush and Red Bottoms. I'm going to just pat and swipe blend. So I'm building, I'm tapping and swiping, tapping and swiping, focusing on that outer corner. I'm going to use the tip and edge of the brush, bring it over the crease, above the crease of my eyelid, and I'll just continue to do that. Now I'm going to start to wing it out a little bit, not too much. I'm gonna go back into my F5 brush to sort of blend the top edge. You guys, I'm so tired. I got like 2 hours of sleep because I was working all night. Let's continue. Go ahead and add Red Bottoms on the other eye. You can build it up, build it up, build it up, and intensify it more if you want to, or you don't have to. And then after we do that, we're gonna get into our shimmer shade. And for the shimmer shade, we'll be getting into Baywatch. Now I'm gonna get into the E2 brush again, but this one's clean. I have 2 of them. And I'm going to place it in Baywatch. Baywatch. And I am gonna spray my brush with the NYX Bear With Me spray. So I'm just going to move it in swiper motion, starting in the center of the eyelid and move toward the inner corner. I'm tilting my brush now so that the tip and the edge of the brush can go in the crease, above the crease area in the inner corner as it comes over. Ooh, this is pretty. I've used this palette before, but I haven't done a look like this yet. I'm taking more of Baywatch. What a nice combo. Oh. And I'm just taking the tip kind of over the crease. And what I'll do is I'll take my other brush that I used to put Red Bottoms on with. Where the shimmer and the matte meet, I'm just blending a little bit so that it's not stark matte shimmer. Go ahead and add shimmer to the other side, and then we'll get into a new loose glitter called Take Me There. If you don't have glitter, then you can skip everything, put your lashes on now. If not, then let's get into the glitter. For glue, I'm going to use the Anasazi Beverly Hills glitter adhesive. I'm going to place the glue onto the lid. I'm going to tap the glitter in the center and then bring it in to the inner corner. I'm taking a, what is this, E9 brush to kind of diffuse the glitter. I just want the glitter to be diffused, so I'm just using this to kind of break it up and blend it out. Okay, so if you prefer not to have glitter, it's beautiful without the glitter. With the glitter, it just gives an extra pop, so you can add glitter or you don't have to. And before I add glitter on this side, I might just fall asleep. I'm going to be using the Lashylicious Lustylicious Lash. I'll pop those on, do my whole face off camera, come back, we'll do the lower lash line together, and I'll tell you what lip I am wearing at the end. So, in a makeup, very much we need to pray for a miracle moment that I get some energy, and we'll come back together. Okay. And voila, a makeup miracle moment has occurred. And I do have a little bit more energy, but I can't help but still be tired. So I'm gonna get into my lower lash line. So I'm going to be using, I already actually put this in. This is the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Dirty Talk. I'm adding it right into the inner corner. And this brush is the E7 brush. I'm pressing Red Bottoms in the outer corner mainly, like the outer half, and then I will use an E2 brush and blend it out with Frosé and blend. And then I will add mascara, so go ahead and add mascara. I'll let you know what lip I am using in a moment. And yeah, that's it for today. For lips, I will be using the So Juicy Lip Gloss in Big Slide. So I'll see you guys next time. Make sure if you haven't liked this video already, like it, subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed, and I already think I said this like 5 times, but I'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye now.